Hey, glad you can make it, because today we are playing more Age of Engineering, and on the server with me are Dragon Racer and Phoenix.
Hello.
And in chat is Deccan, who also says hello YouTube, obviously. Alright, wanted to show you a few things. This episode's not going to be very long, but I wanted to at least get some stuff going. Pirate of Old yesterday, so this is before last episode, got this ready. Optical sensor, some iron plate, some redstone, and to make the hollow projector, which is going to be used to put together most of these machines. And one of the machines that we're going to need right at the beginning is the precision assembler, which Phoenix had ready to be made in this particular crafter. So now we're going to go play with this and see if we can make it work. Hollow projector, and we are going, I think I may have mentioned this before, but I'm going to tell you again since we're at that point. This right here, this whole area right here is basically Cape Soprania. And we have a bunch of spacesuits already. I didn't know they were actually getting made. I just thought the recipe was being set up for them.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But that's okay. These are easy to make. They're just steel, iron, and what was the other component?
Wool.
Wool. That's what I thought. Okay. Yes, you can make Incredibles references if you want to. But see, this over here is going to be the actual like launch pad area. We're going to put the launch pad for the ship here, and then this whole peninsula area is actually going to be where we place the advanced rocketry machines, and this will be, you know, the space, not the space station, the
Control.
Yeah.
Ground
Excellent.
control.
No capes on your spacesuits. All right, so this says shift right click opens machine selection interface, and then shift scroll moves cross section. Fine. Shift right click, we want the precision assembling machine. All right, I did that. Now, how do I actually make it project? Like that. All right, so for instance, this block right here needs to actually be the precision assembler. Boom. That would be the precision assembler. Then we also need, looks like it could be multiple devices. So this is one of those build your own kind of things. We do need 2 copper coils and 2 motors. But I believe that the there are different tiers of motors, so the better motor you use, the better the machine will be. And then these can be input hatches, output hatches, power input plugs, and what was the other one that I just saw go by? It said machine something.
Structure. The actual structure blocks.
Machine structure. Okay, so you can actually use the structure blocks to build it, and then the wherever you want to use input and output. So basically it's you use machine structure blocks and then replace it with input and output for anything you want to do that with. Which means, which power does this use, by the way?
It can take EU.
Well, I would recommend EU if we can take, RF if we can take RF.
I think it can take RF.
I'm guessing that would require the power input plug.
Yep.
Let's see, power input plug. That is another one of the machine structures, and then a whole bunch of small batteries. Small batteries look like they're pretty simple. Let's see, can I already make those? No. Need iron rods. Iron, do we already have some iron rods? Yes, we do. Need iron rods and then 10 plates. Do we already have 10 plates? And we have dense 10 plates.
They'll be actually in the ICT room rather than the actual system.
Okay. Dunk.
I'll let you finish crafting that.
Let's see, 10 plates.
They're in the go in the chest above the block cutter.
Oh, block cutter.
Block
This
cutter.
one. There we go. Alright, so I can take... Yeah, that's the right one. Good. And so that one needed 4 of those. So we got the 4 batteries. Then we just need another one of those machine block things. We're going to need a bunch of those.
Well, once we have the chrome, it's fairly easy to make them, so that's quite nice.
Yes.
I'm working on it.
Do we have any chrome ingots at the moment? I don't think I made any more
Might
since...
have a couple.
We have 7. That's good. I'll go ahead and turn these into plates over at the immersive engineering area. Since chrome is going to be very important, we might even want to make another press just for their automating chrome.
How heavy are the plates used? Is it more plates than anything else?
Oh, the plates are going to be used a lot. Unless, I mean, there is another way of making the plates. Maybe there's a smaller machine we can stick close by. I just did this because it was the easy way. Let's see. Chrome plate. It can use a compressor from Tech Reborn. So we could probably do that and make it a little bit easier. Don't know. We'll figure it out. We might we'll take care of that like off camera. So people watching understand that we now have the technology to make a lot of Tech Reborn machines, and we also have the technology to make a lot of the advanced rocketry stuff. So if you see anything off camera or show up off camera and you have questions about it, let me know. Most of the time I will explain. I'll come back and say, hey, we made these. So, all right, so we've got chrome plates. And then I can just make that. And then I'm coming back. I want to see if this at least works. I guess it's going to be hard to know unless we actually make the whole thing, though, huh? Gear.
Oh, is it my turn? I'm working on it.
Alright, let's see. Power input plug. I should be able to make one of these, and I can. And this will go. You stopped. I didn't tell you to stop. Nope. You did it in the wrong place. Now you're bad. Nope, 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 nope. Go over. There. There. Ha. Fixed it. Alright, so the power input plug can basically go anywhere. So let's just stick it right there. Yep, that uses RF. Because it has a little RF on the Wayla for it. Hey, Pirate of Old. We made your holo projector. Thank you again for taking care of that.
Okay, I have to see if this ordix with the other aluminum stuff. Raising.
Yeah, it's cool. I wish it's actually one of my favorites because it actually tells you what blocks have to be there with text, which is like Britannia's does not tell you what the actual blocks need to be. So this is actually my favorite of the building systems. Yeah. Definitely my favorite of the building systems. And now we just need the machine
Nice.
blocks and the motors. Let's see, what kind of motors are there? Nope, there's only one for advanced rocketry, it seems. Those are just steel plates, steel rods, and then the copper coils. How hard were the copper coils? I guess they're not the easiest thing in the world.
They're irritating rather than.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go check up on Chrome. Let's see.
Still working on it.
Do we got... Let's see. I'm going to go to Immersive Engineering and see about cooking some more of the Chrome that is currently in the system. You're trying to get logged on, Pirate? Okay.
Just did.
Oh, cool. Welcome to the stream.
Thank you, thank you. Aw, we got spacesuits. Cool.
Yeah, evidently I did a no-no with that.
It's okay. Thanks for the follow, Icy.
Okay, what you need me to do? I'm here.
Need to make Chrome.
Okay.
Dragon says he's working on it, so that means it's not getting done.
It should be going through now. Go check the arc furnace. Oh, you're over here again. I thought you were in IC2 yet. Or the immersive area yet. Yeah, I need to fill that chest yet. I was just testing with the stack to see if it would all work.
I know, I'm just looking. I'm allowed
Why
to
is there
look.
a hole in the wall?
Because I'm not done yet. I'm working on
Just
it.
making sure you weren't booming stuff.
Okay, I said it's funny. You said it's rude.
Actually, I agree. Dragon, you're never allowed to say that again.
I'm a rude dude.
All right.
Okay, so seriously, what do y'all need me to do?
Chrome.
Okay.
Seriously.
Get
Chrome.
go into the system, get some ruby dust, and fill this chest up, and then I can go and get the facades together so I can close the hole in the wall.
What chest?
Actually, I was going to show her how to actually make the Chrome plates because that is a manual process at the moment.
This one?
Yes, that one. And then after you dump a bunch in there, you can go over by itself.
I am currently in the immersive engineering area. Do you have it automatically cooking them in the arc furnace?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you make a whole new ender chest for those?
Yes, sir. Black, black, black.
Okay.
Alright, where are you, Saf?
I'm in the immersive engineering area.
I know we have another white chest. I just threw that one down just to test it out. I'll probably merge it with the other one so I'm not, we don't have ender chest galore all over the place.
Basically, at the
I know
moment,
how to make plates.
I need a bunch of chrome plates, so
Okay.
it's already set up.
I'll see how to make chrome, and then I will make chrome plates.
Well, there's a bunch of
You-
chrome already in the system. That's what the ruby dust was for.
Oh, okay,
So
awesome.
then all you got to do is just put it in the hopper and then let it do its thing.
To complete this construction, we need 24 chrome plates.
Okay.
And I've got 6 at the moment. Well, 8 now. So we need 16 more.
16.
And those need to be made into the blocks? We're just making the
Yep.
machine blocks for those at the moment?
Machine structure blocks, and then 2 of those need to be turned into input and output.
Okay. Machine structure blocks. 1, 2. And then... So we want those to be... just input hatches?
1 input, 1 output.
Okay. So I'll make 1 input. And let me guess. The output is with the chest at the bottom. Output hatch. Yep. Just like I thought.
Do you want me to put the plates in the system as I get them, Phoenix?
Yeah.
All right, just dump 14 in.
Do you have a specific place you wanted to put the input and output hatches?
Input or output here, and input or output here.
Okay. And then the rest just needs to be machine blocks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did the visualization disappear on you too?
Yeah, it does time out because otherwise it's a lag monster.
Let's see, what does it do? It does it on that. Yeah, I'd have to, for me to place it back down again, I'd have to do it at the copper coil that you're standing on. But it's okay. We can look at it from somewhere else. So. Yep. So that's all we need is what, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those.
Uh-huh.
Are you making them?
No, I was working on something slightly different.
Looks like we're actually going to need more steel rods. I'm going to go over to the immersive engineering system and make some more rods. Yeah, this one needs for rods, so I'm going to steal the gear one for right now.
Go ahead. I'm out of ingots right at the moment anyway.
No, I mean over here. Yeah, I saw that. Deccan. There's the gears one. Okay.
Dragon, how are you processing the ruby dust? Oh, that's right. He's AFK for a second.
The ruby dust goes in the electrolyzer, which is along one of the walls there, well, where the hole in the wall is.
The ruby's into dust. I'm sorry. Are we just using the like macerator or what?
Yes, macerator to turn a ruby into ruby dust, I think. But no, crusher. The immersive engineering crusher.
Okay.
I'm back.
Alright, I think that gives us all of our machine structures now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how do we form this thing?
Wonder Twin powers activate.
It says there's something wrong. Okay,
There's
maybe.
something. Okay. I was
No,
gonna
it does
say,
not say there's something wrong. Oh, no, it's saying there's something wrong. What is wrong? Maybe it's this power cell.
Okay, where do I put the stuff in the...
Just pop it in the ender chest for now. I'll get another chest set up for it.
Alright. They can all be machine structures. There's copper coils. There's motors. Input-output hatches. Precision assembler.
hang on. Make sure the motors are both facing the correct direction.
Yep. Machine structure, that's copper coil. Is this... Hold on a second. Aha! We're not done yet.
What?
We need 2 pieces of glass and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. More machine structure blocks.
Oh, let me guess. When we did the projection, we didn't.
We only got one layer.
Ah, dang it.
Whoops.
Yep.
Bottom layer or top layer?
The bottom layer is all we got.
Oh, that's okay then. That's not too bad.
Right. So we just need the 2 glass, and then we need machine structure blocks to cover the rest of it. And I don't think there are any on the inside. Nope. So we just need a whole bunch more machine structure blocks. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I thought you said it was 18.
I'm recounting just to make sure. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then another 12. So it might be 20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5,
80
6,
chrome
7,
plates.
8. Yep.
Working on it.
She can say it.
Yeah, she can get away with it.
We're at 7 in the system. Which means we're probably going to need more steel bars also. So I'm going to go get more of those cooking. Oh, well, no. We've got quite a few. Yeah, that should be enough. Yep, this is one of the reasons why we're probably going to want to get some Chrome automated, let it build up.
Speaking of which, need to make a compacting drawer for it.
Did I just see something fall?
I
Weird.
zoomed over here.
Oh, okay. See you, Deccan. Thanks for coming by. But yeah, when you're holding the hollow projector, you can hold down Shift and rotate the mouse wheel. And I did not know that. I mean, I was looking at what it could do, and then I saw that, and I was like, oh, okay, well, then let me do that. And then suddenly, you know, this thing is a 3 tall structure. It's like, oh, okay. Why do you keep wanting to put that back? I'd wait till the structure is complete, that way the block's not in the way.
Well, and make something to stand on when we need to put the top layer on.
Oh, well, I'm standing on the glass. That should be easy enough. See, it doesn't look like there's 2 blocks in the middle. Would you agree with that?
Yes, there are. It is a hollow container.
Yep. This looks more like what I remember it looking like from the other series, because Direwolf had to make one for not only Age of Engineering, but also for the, what was the one that him and Pahamar played together before that? The one that was kind of tough.
Stranded one?
No, not the...
it wasn't Stranded. It was...
PM played it on stream, too. It was one with all the dogs and rats and all that stuff.
Then I wouldn't know.
The human mobs, also. The Raiders. I think I had the Raiders mod in it, yeah. Can't remember the name of the mod pack.
And the piranha in the water and...
Yeah. Hey, Trunks.
Oh,
How are you?
Oh, it's that one. Oh, God.
I've forgotten the name, but I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, nasty one. Every time I turn around and see one of these things, it freaks me out.
Are we worried about upgrades on the Chrome or not at the moment? Is that going to be another use as needed basis?
This is the recording layout, Trunks. I can switch back and forth between this one and the regular streaming one. And I'm currently recording an episode, so... Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to make this a little less obtrusive, but we'll figure it out. Intrusive, obtrusive. Lesson the way.
Words.
Invasion, that was it.
Invasive.
Invasion.
That was also the word I was looking for. Invasive. But yeah, invasion. That's the one. Him and Direwolf 20 and Pahamar played that one together, and they had to use the advanced rocketry machines. I mean, heck, that was how they had to get their wood properly. It was easier to do in the cutting machine from advanced rocketry than it was in regular.
Why do we now all of a sudden have like 45 chrome nuggets?
Because I made a compacting drawer for the chrome ingots.
Compacting drawer
Gotcha.
will show it as nuggets, blocks, and ingots. If you remove some of the ingots, you'll notice that the nugget count goes down too. But yeah, this is, at this point, this is a waiting game. So I think we will wrap up the episode here, and next episode you will see a completely formed precision assembler and probably a few more advanced rocketry machines. Because we need, and go pull this up. The machines we need are the chemical reactor, the electrolyzer, the precision assembler, and the cutting machine. So that way, we can make all the parts and pieces that we need as we go. Because we're going to need to make the liquid fuel tanks, the liquid fuel engines, the guidance computer, the seat, and the rocket fuel for the actual rocket. And then we also need to make launch pads, structure towers, and the rocket assembling machine for the launch pad over here. So, yeah. So expect to see between episodes the 4 machines made at least. We will save the rocket and launch pad, maybe make some of the parts for it, but we'll save putting it all together and actually going into space for an episode all by itself. So but expect to see the machine so we can at least work towards that goal. So, thank you in advance for the thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment. I've been Saf.
I've been Phoenix.
I've been Dragon.
I've been working on it.
And you've not been assembled?